Crappie sniper gear. A little unboxing. See what I got up in here. Kind of small. I'll order some other stuff. Well, shirt. Black Crappie Town, USA, baby. See if it's gonna work this time. Hell, man. Got the black hat, like I said. Damn it. On a 10-second loop or something. And I got the exclusive camo. Exclusive camo. With the gray shirt, Crappie Town, USA, baby. Definitely gonna sport that one. Might even cross-reference it with some crappie head. With the crappie heads. Crappie Town, USA, baby. Supporting my brothers. I got the crappie head. I had these for a while. The black with the chartreuse. You know what I'm saying? Ain't got the camo ones up here. I got to get them out. Man. Camo with the chartreuse. Camo with the orange. And I got a camo ugly stick. But, you know, that came with my fishing pole. One of my poles. Hook City, you next, bro. Supporting my brothers out there with this YouTube thing. I want a slab wave, but I want the dark green. Got to talk to management about the dark green shirt. You know what I'm saying? Instead of that bright yellow. I want dark green. I don't want the crappie seeing me coming to the hole with that bright yellow shirt. But yeah, that's the crappie head. And the Crappie Town. So you know, the black with the black. I can do that. Represent both my brothers out there on the water. And I can do the gray with the gray. You heard me? It's just a little unboxing. I'm tired. Just got home from work. It's like 10 o'clock. Went to work after work. So, yeah. Crappie Town, USA, baby. USA. Forgot to tell you guys where you can get your sniper gear and crappie head gear from. Crappie Town, USA, baby. Came with a little letter. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you indeed. Camo hat inside is exclusive, brother. Exclusive. Signed Crappie Sniper. There you go. The Crappie Town, USA, baby, at gmail.com. Send some pictures in. And you go to crappiesnipergear.com to get your shirts and your hats and stuff like that. And for the crappie head, you go to DEECRAPPIE at gmail.com. When I edit it, I'll make sure it's right. I'll have the little letters or whatever at the bottom, both of them. crappiesnipergear.com and DEECRAPPIE at gmail.com. I think that's it. Well, yeah. Check them out, man. Definitely gonna be sporting these on the water on the next fishing trip. So thanks, brother. Thanks, Crappie Head, and like I said, Ken, Hook City TV. You next, bruh. Congratulations on that new garment. Is it gonna change the way you fish? Hell yeah. We out.